Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ensuring your oxygen tank level is accurate is absolutely critical for your safety and peace of mind. The updated 2025 method makes checking your tank incredibly simple and highly reliable, ensuring you always know your supply status. This isn't just about convenience, it's about having immediate, precise information when you need it most. By following this straightforward process, you can stay completely informed and prepared, avoiding any unexpected low supplies with full confidence. Gone are the days of guessing with old, unreliable pressure gauges. They simply aren't precise enough for modern needs. The new 2025 standard has shifted entirely, recommending only digital flow meters equipped with advanced integrated sensors. This innovative technology provides real-time, precise volume percentages directly to you, making your oxygen management much safer and clearer. It truly is the only dependable way forward for accurate readings. Checking your oxygen level is now incredibly simple, involving just two straightforward steps. First, ensure your digital oxygen flow meter is securely attached to your tank, then simply power it on by pressing the main button. The device will quickly self-calibrate, automatically sensing and displaying the current tank level. You will see a steady green light illuminate, which confirms proper connection and a healthy, accurate reading from your tank. Understanding your digital display is crucial for managing your oxygen supply effectively. The screen will clearly show your remaining oxygen as a precise percentage, eliminating any guesswork. A full tank will typically read 100%, while it is recommended to arrange a refill when your tank reaches about 20% capacity. Always pay attention to visual cues, especially a flashing low-level indicator, as this signals the need for immediate attention and action. To ensure your digital oxygen flow meter remains reliable, always make it a habit to regularly check its battery levels. Additionally, to guarantee continued accuracy, it is highly recommended to calibrate your device annually with a certified technician. By consistently following these simple, yet vital steps, you are actively prioritizing your safety and maintaining complete peace of mind. Knowing your oxygen supply is always accurately monitored and ready when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.